Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to update to the latest network adapter in Windows 10 or 11. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you want to update your network adapter to the latest available version, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open Device Manager, just right click on this window button and then select Device Manager from here. And now in this section, you just have to look for network adapters. So here's the network adapters expanded. Here you must see all network adapters you have. Here your Bluetooth device, your Wi-Fi adapter, your WAN and LAN adapter. So you just have to right click on any adapter which you want to update, click on update driver and click on search automatically for drivers. It will search automatically for the best adapter or best available adapters. You can also search from your file explorer. If you have any downloaded drivers, so you can go to browse my computer and here just select browse and just select the drivers you want to install on your PC. So in this way you can easily update to the latest network software in your Windows. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.